Anson Kong photographed Dettol antibacterial laundry beads advertisement. Dettol has always been trusted by consumers. For the first time in Hong Kong, it launched propodTM all-round antibacterial laundry spin beads, and even shot a new advertisement with the popular boy group Mirror Anson Kong.
In order to make the shooting effect more perfect, before starting to shoot, still do the palm pressing intensively, so as to expand the chest muscles. Anson Kong showed off his deltoid muscles in this advertisement, revealing his strong shoulders and arms.
About laundry, he said, "Every piece of clothing and accessories is my painstaking effort and treasure, so it will naturally be cleaned and maintained, and the feeling of cleanliness and hygiene always makes me feel at ease."